Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanaya, known as Modest Guru, and today I will be showing you guys my brand new gold jewelry collection. These pieces are so bomb. I'm a lover for gold jewelry. That is my preferred jewelry of choice. And I wanted to show you these amazing new pieces that I got from Ana Luisa. So currently right now, I am just in love with this chain. This is the style Miche. And when I tell you, like, this gold classic chain, this is a 14 karat gold chain. And the pendant on it is just so beautiful and outlines in gold. I just love the color green, one of my favorites. And I also picked up these are some matching earrings. Just wanted to show you guys exactly how they look. This is the style Dobie. How simplistic, it's very elegant to wear. I am in love and in awe with the quality. I have some other gold jewelry pieces like hoops that I showed in my previous video, which I wear every single day. I wear it in the shower. Very great quality. I mean, nothing has turned. Their pieces are very unique and one of a kind as well. So I do want to let you guys know that today's video is sponsored by Ana Luisa. Just a little bit about Ana Luisa. They are an awesome company. They really care about our environment, which I have to support hands down. So a very sustainable business, and they are based out of New York, a luxury fine jewelry company. And I love the quality of all of their jewelry. Just the sets itself, I mean, it kind of stands apart. I don't have any pieces like this. And so currently right now I have built a jewelry collection from Ana Luisa. They also have these really great quality chains. So you can always layer their pieces together. I just feel like it fits. I have very beautiful quality jewelry pieces that I feel like you guys should check out. Black Friday is around the corner, literally this upcoming Friday, guys. So definitely get your hands on their buy one, get one 60% off deal that they are having for the Black Friday holiday. Order your pieces before it's gone because I can see a lot of their items just selling out super fast. I will have my special link down below for you guys to order and get your buy one, get one 60% off. You do not want to miss this amazing deal. Thank you so much, Ana Luisa, for partnering with me today and sponsoring today's video. We appreciate it, okay? Also, let's just dive right into this makeup look because why not? It's the holiday season. My brows are already done because it takes me so long to do my brows. I mean, it don't take that long, but I'm like really a perfectionist, all up in the mirror. But yeah, I'm gonna jump right into one of my favorite foundations. So far, I just keep buying this same foundation like over and over again. Is that bomb? My go-to foundation is the Rare Beauty. This is the shade 360W. You guys, it's like the application makes it super easy because there's a brush. Let me show you. So there's a brush, so you just swipe it on, which I will do shortly. So let's get into this makeup look. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation. So I just do a couple lines on one side. And I'm gonna use my favorite Morphe brush. I will list the brush and the makeup products down in the description box below. But I just love the sheer coverage of this foundation. For the base concealer, I use the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is in the shade Sand. And honestly, I've been using this for so long. This foundation is like famous and it lasts forever. So, I mean, I feel like it lasts forever. I like to use this as my base. Now I use two concealers, one as my base and then one to brighten just a little bit. So I blended out my concealer. Now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their cream bronzer. This is in the shade Hazelnut. Okay, this is what Hazelnut looks like. You guys, it's so creamy. I mean, I'm just starting to love this a lot more. So I'm contouring my... Just use a flat brush to apply your cream bronzer. I just like that it gives me those free strokes. I love my Milani. This is in the shade Warm Almond. This is their Conceal and Correct. I love to like contour my nose with this because it's just so creamy. Girl, this is a whole surgery right now. I love it. Just go in and blend this out. I like to blend it into my brows. So you'll see it's looking a little crazy right now, but I promise you it'll come together. I just blend it down as well, blend it out a lot more. Don't be afraid of cream. Great thing about it is you can always cover it up. Now let's just blend out the cream contour. First, I was worried that I got the wrong bronzer, but I actually love it. It's still like really soft. It comes off really, really soft. You see how that came together? Once I have applied my cream bronzer, my concealer, my base, everything, I love to highlight with the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer. This is in the shade 10, and I just apply like some right here, outer corner, just to brighten down by my nose. It brightens up everything. I love this. Oh, a doll. I love this concealer. This concealer really is magic touch. But yes, I want to start talking about different topics, just different stuff. I mean, I just have so much, but I want it to not just be like my opinion. I really want to hear from my subscribers. I want you all to be involved in a conversation and feedback. I love DMs. I just feel like that's where I can get to know everyone so much better. Or like through polls and questions. I just kind of want to build a community around that. This is giving beat to another level. But so I'm going in with the Beauty Bakery. This is their Pinch of Flower in the shade Translucent. I switched between this one and the Beignet, I think that's how you say it, luxury powder, the yellow one. It just depends. So follow me. I will tag my Instagram below for you guys as well. Follow me on there. Let's be friends. Let's chat. Let's have topics to talk about. I'm using the Makeup by Mario. This is the Soft Sculpt. So I'm just setting my bronzer with the Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt bronzer in the shade Medium. Now the trick. This is going to be the easiest brown eyeshadow look you can ever have. I feel like it works for any special occasion, any occasion really. Like, you should be the celebrity of your family by wearing this look. So I go back in with the Milani Conceal Perfect and I apply this to my lids. So I don't do any kind of like base for my eyeshadow look. It's a concealer hack. Brush and blend it out. And it stays put all day. It's concealer, so similar to if you're color correcting. It's that quick. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face using one of my favorites, which is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. She lasts all night. I promise you, I would not lie. For my lips, I'm going to use my KKW Beauty, the new 2 lip pencil. This is how she looks. That is it for today's video. I don't want to see you guys go, but thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope that you guys love the brand new gold jewelry pieces that I received from Ana Luisa. Also, before you leave, don't forget to check out the description box below and get your buy one, get one 60% off. This would be a great gift for your family, your loved ones during the holiday season. Also, I hope that you guys love this brown makeup look. This would be great for the upcoming holiday. Thank you guys again. I love you, and until next time, take care.